So, you know, I just wanted to say, I know that a lot of things are going on in the world right now, and I know, bros, that maybe sometimes you get a little heated and a little upset. Well, you know what I say? Just take a minute and slam a cold Fago and calm down and take a drink. Now, you're probably wondering, Gamzee, why do you look like this? Well, Bugsy wants to do something different, and I said, yeah, why not? So, I'm here. And I'm doing a Q&A. And you probably want, okay, let me just spell it out for the people that don't know who I am. I'm Gamzee Makara. No, I don't have to, I'm not gonna motherfucking explain myself. You already know who I am. Some of you know who I am, others do not. Read Homestuck if you don't know who I am. You're probably wondering, which Gamzee am I? Technically, I'm the one in the, if I had to be meta for a minute, I'm basically the one from the mock-off slash alt stuck canon. Ask me some questions, talk to me about Fago in the comments below. It'll be awesome to hear from you guys, and, well, HoNk! HoNk! HoNk. Yeah, I still gotta get used to this new body. Bugsy said it'd be a little bit more presentable. Personally, I feel kinda, I feel a little trapped, if you catch my drift. But, we ain't gonna talk about that. And, please, don't talk to me about the candy version of myself from Homestuck 2. I do not want to talk about the candy version of myself from Homestuck 2. I hate that version of myself. Also, there was a Gamzee toe sucker ball pit that, Bugsy No Name went to, and that, I don't know what was going on, but it sounded like fun. It sounded like a lot of fun, actually. Not saying I'm like my Homestuck 2 counterpart. I understand that what I did to all my friends was wrong. And I'm not asking for people to forgive me. I did something horrible, and I deserve to be casted out. Truthfully. I deserve it. But you know what? I want to also say that, one, you guys, I love my friends. I love, y'all call him Bugs in Prime, but I just call him Bug. I just want y'all to know that Chaos Lord is the best friend a troll like me could ever have. And I mean that shit. I mean that motherfucking shit, man. I mean it. But really, I think I should go. But yeah, I gotta, ask me a question. It can be anything Homestuck related. Y'all can talk to me about Murder Stuck. Y'all can even talk to me about the Game Over timeline. And if anybody still wants to know if I'm God tier or not, well, yeah, that's another question you can ask me. Well, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go drink the Wicked Elixir, if you catch my drift. Which is just Fago, by the way. Peace. Peace, and remember, I'm always watching you. Peace. And Tavros, if you're watching, you look very nice. You looked very nice today. I didn't really get to say much to you, but you look nice today. I'm gonna go now.